Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Skyrim Let's Become the Hold Guard. So, funny thing. I went to Markarth to discuss the matter of the citizen that went to Serpent Bluff. Is it Serpent Bluff Redoubt? Something like that. Turns out that they want the bandit leader killed there as well. So, they sent along one of their guards, and they also picked up vigilance. So we're going to go up there and see what we can see. Apparently this forsworn leader is responsible for the deaths of a number of their citizens and guards. You guys coming okay? Alright, we have got Forsworn. Why are they running into the camp instead of defending it? Shaman. Oh, oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear me. Yeah. Right. I did not say. Oh, god damn it. No, I did not save. It's not even morning yet. Alright, let's not, that's what they're doing. They're just leading us into an ambush. Alright. I had a premonition not to go running into the camp. Dude. Fine. Oh, what the hell? Alright, you go. Destroy them. Okay. Now they've decided to attack us. This is good. Sort of. Where'd the other one go? Uh-oh. Running into the camp. Ow! This is ridiculous. Nicely done. Okay, that's you. Oh no. Get out of the way. Okay. More. There's all kinds of stuff here. Better confiscate their weapons. What do you mean, mercy? Oh, come on. Right through him. That Briarheart went down in a hurry. Sworn note. The matriarch grows weary of your hesitation. Our people control the entire eastern slope of the Reach, all save Sunguard. Take it, and the invaders will be cut off from all retreat. But we must move now while its defenses are still weak. Summon the tribes, do what you must, but if you do not act, shall find someone who will. Okay. So, battle plan, we can report that. Heading into the ruins. Well, careful of that. Getting some target practice on this guy. Are you okay there? Okay, let's... What is wrong with you? Oh my goodness. Just cut it out. Oh, there you go.
Not impressed. Come and face the Forsworn. This is right now.
All right. Let's not allow that to deal with. Are you guys gonna make it out here okay? Let's get up there. Deal with these people. Okay. We're all focused on the Hagraven. Keep her off balance. No healing you. Ah. Success. Alright, I think that's everything. Oh wait, no, we're still looking for the citizen. Missing citizen? Where's that? Did it update? What happened? Kill the Hagraven who murdered the citizens. Okay. Well, that's unfortunate. No, I don't want to... I don't want that. I drop that. There you go. Some sort of dark rituals going on here. Enchanting. Never could get the hang of that. Was this just a quick way out? An escape route? I'm surprised she didn't use it. You guys gonna be okay jumping down there? Alright, let's see. Report to Preventus. Well, let's just do that. Oddly enough, I don't have to report to Markarth, so I can tell my friend here to head back home. I'm heading back to Whiterun anyway, so there you go. You can go home. I can go home.
Staying safe, I hope.
Hello there. Already open door. Preventus.
The Jarl is, as you can imagine, very busy. Perhaps I can assist you.
Don't understand why he's paying me for that. Forsworn. Anyway, I found citizens. They'd been murdered.
I understand. Thank you. Here, this is for you. Stupid dog. The task of steward.
And this.
You've done us a great service. Here is your reward.
Excellent. Again, thank you very much.
Stupid dog.
Shut up. I know he barks a lot, but there's a mod for that. Alright, so let's do a quick prayer at the shrine. And we've got, well, some stuff we can get rid of. Lot of gear.
Take a good look around, I'm sure. Everything's for trinkets, odds and ends, that sort of thing.
That stuff I can leave behind
Come back.
in the evidence chest. I'm going to single-handedly arm this entire city. So, what have we got completed? That one's done. That one's done. That one's done. And the treasure is also done. Leave that. That. And that. Anything new to do? No. Interestingly enough. I still haven't gotten in contact with the courier that is supposed to be telling me to go to Falkreath. What's going on? I'm confused. Okay, you know what? It's a little bit of a short episode, but I'm going to end it here so that I can go and install a mod to stop vigilance from barking. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.